Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we uncover the best products on the market to make your life easier and healthier. Today, we're diving into the world of nutrition tracking with the NUTRA Track Food and Nutrition Scale. If you're on a journey to better health or simply want to maintain your calorie intake, this might just be your new best friend. Let's start with the basics.
The NUTRA Track Scale isn't just your average kitchen scale. It's equipped with a proprietary USDA nutritional calculator, making it one of the most advanced tools for tracking your food intake. And trust me, you won't find anything better on the market.
One of the standout features of this scale is its ability to provide detailed nutritional information for over 999 preloaded foods,
with the option to add an additional 999 custom foods.
Whether you're counting calories, monitoring your macros, or keeping an eye on specific nutrients, this scale has you covered. But it's not just about tracking your food. The NUTRA Track Scale also boasts pinpoint accuracy, making it perfect for precise baking and meal prep.
And with its sleek design and compact form factor, it's a stylish addition to any kitchen. But what really sets this scale apart is its commitment to quality and customer service.
Made by an American company based in Seattle, Washington, you can trust that you're getting a product that's built to last.
Plus, with a 10-year bumper-to-bumper warranty and 24/7 lifetime support, you can purchase with confidence. In conclusion, if you're serious about tracking your nutrition and maintaining a healthy lifestyle,
the NUTRA Track Food and Nutrition Scale is simply unmatched.
With its advanced features, precision accuracy, and commitment to quality, it's the best calorie maintenance calculator you'll find on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews of the best products out there. Until next time, happy tracking!